through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Yes guys, that's the pink pui. The pink pui tree in full bloom. Yeah, that is it guys. Bloom and drops its flowers. It's a wonderful plant. Every year you see it like this. It's wonderful guys. The pink pui tree. So this is what it look like on the floor. Yeah. This is how beautiful it is. Pink pui. Yeah, that is it guys. Yeah. 3 trees here. Guys, they are in full bloom. Yeah. And it's gonna stay like this until all the petals fall to the ground. Yeah. Pink pui tree. Yeah, wonderful guys. Yeah, this is what it looks like on the ground. Yeah, this is what the flowers look like. Yeah, that is it. What a beauty. Nature at its best. Yeah. Pink pui tree. We also have the yellow pui tree. Here's the yellow flowers as well. Yeah. Wonderful guys. Yep. This is nature at its best. Yeah. That is it. Pink pui tree. Yeah, across from here, you know, we still have the bougainvillea too. Yeah. Everybody know the bougainvillea. In full bloom there, red bougainvillea. Yeah, that is it. White bougainvillea and pink and white bougainvillea right there. Yeah. Yeah, nature at its best guys. Yeah, flowering plants right here in Old Harbour Bay. That is it. Yeah, the sun just about to peep over the Blue Mountains. Morning, what a wonderful morning. Yeah. Beautiful. Not too often you get to see it like this. Yeah. Probably once in a lifetime. Another beautiful day on the road. Yeah. Witnessing nature at work. Bustling on the street. Start already. Traffic. Mr. Sun. What day has just begun. Yes, people, this is the mockingbird. Yeah. In Jamaica, we call him nightingale, but it is not a nightingale. It's the mockingbird that mimics other sound of other birds, and even people too. Wonderful bird that wake you up in the morning. Sing very lovely and nice. Yeah, that is it. My daddy never know where the rainbow mean. My daddy never know where the rainbow mean. Daddy Jago send down fire upon the land to burn and scatter over Egypt land. Yeah, remember that song, the guys. Yeah, and at the end of the rainbow, there lies a pot of gold. At the end of the highway, there's no way you can go. At the end of a river, the water stops its flow. Yes, guys, what a wonderful thing. Look at this rainbow. Yeah. Nature at its best. Wow. Look at that. Destroy the earth. Father said he will no longer send any more flood upon the earth. So every time the Israelites see the rainbow, they must remember that it's a kind of covenant that we make with the Israelite people according to the Bible. So when we see it, guys, we know say the rain almost finished or soon finish. Right, because wherever you are standing, you're actually between the water and the sunlight, and then it gives you that kind of radiance, which is the rainbow, the end result of the rainbow. Yeah, it's a wonderful thing to behold, guys, and not many people can see a rainbow today. You have to give thanks. You know, it's natural, but each time you see one, we give thanks and praise. Some are blind, some sick, some gone living, but it's wonderful, and we have to give thanks and praise that we are here. You know, yes, appreciating nature, guys. That is it. Yeah. Yes guys, when man I run up and down I look crab about a bush, you know. Alright, now my backyard. Yeah, I catch my crab them, you know. Yeah, see them there guys. See now the pot there. I don't know why I'm to this fowl here. One straight fowl. Yeah. You come get catching at the pot. See the guys, I have to run down crab and show me another crab hole because I have kind of crab farm in my backyard or so. Yeah. Yes guys, see there? Yeah. Last night that I set the pot. Yeah, so let's put on the pot. Yeah, right in the corner there. See there? Right in the area there, so. And see amount to go in there already. See them there?
Fish pot we use people, fish pot.
Yeah, that guy. Fish pot we use get them.
Get some more in it, this is some more, yeah.
See there? Yeah. Right now we backyard we catching the guys, see there? Yeah. And we have them all year round. People come and harvest them and see. See the guys, and this a fowl him come now gone in the pot. Now when gone in the five he can eat crab. See there? We have to go let him go guys. And see the other pot there? Having one more crab over there so. Yeah. A fish pot we're supposed to carry go see go set. Yeah. So guys, that's how we're going now. But one idea when we swim, we go up on crab hunt, you know. Yeah. That is it. Yeah. See them there? Big size crab then guys. See them there? Yeah. Big crab in there, yeah. Yeah, that will take them out. And them are going to learn what corridor to crab. Look at the peppers, guys. Whoa. When you hear about trending peppers, you know, guys, see them now? Just have them. Yeah. Second. About the third beer in this. And the beer a lot, guys. Look at
Yeah.
Look at guys.
It's about the first thing.
Third beer in.
Yeah.
You see the guys? So tell them start to get a little smaller. But guys, this is very hot, you know. Whoa! Just have them here, guys. Yeah? Look at that. Pepper for kill. Jesus Christ. Yes.
I don't know what's gonna happen by tomorrow.
They're very small. Yeah?
I don't know what's gonna happen by tomorrow.
Yeah.
Stay back.
Yeah. You're not have to tell him to stay back, man. Dog eat dog, you know. Yeah. I see the guys straight off Jason's property, yeah. See look puppy them when you see him the show guys. Yeah. See two of them you know, big dog them. Yeah. So guys, when you stay tuned, so Jason well alright, don't ask about Jason. Jason quite alright. Look at this. Look at this guys. So Jason have mango here so ripe. This is like a Bombay mango, see there? Ripe on the tree here, see there? This one ripe and this one. Tell no all have a be stay one. All have a be also fruitful too, you know. Yeah. So guys, when you stay tuned, you know. We continue to look at nature, guys. Yeah. Pair of white-winged doves. Yeah. Wondering what's the next move now. Bird season now and the draft in a plan. They are saying if they stay here they will die from hunger. But if they go out there they may die from the hunters. So it's better to take the chance. That's what they are contemplating. See them there? Off they go. Food scarce, better egret. A scanny beach. Yeah. My name friend was here a while ago and he find out say nothing much of there for share. Beat up him friend and run him friend a while ago. Yeah. See him there? Look at that. Yeah, better egret that. Beat up him friend and run him away. Say enough is not here for both of them. In there. Fight off him friend and run him away. Yeah. And see the war start there again between the two egrets. See their war. Not enough food for both of them. So it's a war. See there guys. See there. Serious war. One have to run for cover. See there. Yeah. And this one here just ran that one away about 20 minutes ago and it came back. And then see that it had to retreat. See him going up the beach there, gone. So this one here control the territory. This one and this one here. Yeah, see him going back down to the territory there. Don't want anybody else down there. Yeah, so as the day goes by he will stay here. And one of the reasons why I locate there is one of these fish scrapers. Scrape fish here from day to day. You see when I go there and land. Yeah, and down here. Yeah, so people territory this. Yeah. Him control this up. According to him. Yeah, so guys, only the strong survive. Yeah. Nature at work, guys. Nature at work. So wonderful to look at these birds. Yeah. And listening to the waves beating along the shore here. Calming to the nerve. Yeah. Guys, when you look at these things, you know, you learn to appreciate the life that you get and the time on earth here. Yeah. Yeah. I know where here. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody heading up to the beach now. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm blue garland there. Alright, egret. Yes, in there. Yeah, flying a little low. Brown pelican having a bath. Yeah. That is it. With a dark fast asleep there. Every living thing is enjoying the sea breeze today, guys. Cool day. Not much sunlight to bring out the heat. Wonderful. Look at brother dog. Yeah. Normally this dog would be scared of me standing here. But he don't care a damn. He's just enjoying the cool breeze. Yeah. Yes, this is the first for series in nature. Yeah, you know this is going to end with man himself. See there, in a pure chaos. Yeah, that one gone from the record, you know. Don't know the circumstances behind that. We don't know what happened, but most likely it's civilian against police. And something with the law, somebody might run afoul the law or whatever, you know. But that's how it goes. Yeah, human being is not doing well at all. Yeah, that one gone from the record. Don't know who issued the directive. But see the officer over there, so. As I tell you, yeah. Don't know why. Don't know the circumstance. Yeah, but the record fully active. Yeah. get some documents signed. That is it. Yes guys, until then, catch you in another one. We look at simple things in nature that we can learn to appreciate them here on Dream Island TV. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Just like that.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.